The ultimate 2025 Mitsubishi Camper van. Innovation meets adventure. Welcome to the future of van life. The 2025 Mitsubishi Camper van is finally here, and it's redefining what it means to travel in comfort, style, and sustainability. Whether you're an off-road explorer, a weekend warrior, or a full-time nomad, this camper van has something for everyone. Buckle up as we take a deep dive into every feature, design element, and technological marvel that makes this the most exciting camper van of the year. Mitsubishi has always been known for blending functionality with sleek design, and the 2025 camper van is no exception. Inspired by the legendary Mitsubishi Delica, this new model takes things up a notch with a modern aerodynamic body, aggressive front grille, and LED lighting that gives it a futuristic yet rugged look. The van's higher ground clearance and all-terrain tires make it perfect for adventure seekers who want to take the road less traveled. Meanwhile, its retractable awning, roof-mounted solar panels, and side-mounted storage solutions show that Mitsubishi has thought of everything when it comes to convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 Mitsubishi Camper van boasts a hybrid powertrain that combines a 2.4L turbocharged gasoline engine with a high-capacity electric motor. This combination ensures fuel efficiency without compromising on power. Whether you're navigating mountain roads or cruising on the highway, Mitsubishi's Super All-Wheel Control (SAWC) system provides impeccable traction and stability. For those who prefer an eco-friendly alternative, a fully electric version is also available, featuring a battery pack that delivers an impressive range of over 300 miles on a single charge. And with fast charging capabilities, you can get back on the road in just 45 minutes. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in a luxurious yet highly functional space designed for both work and relaxation. The 2025 Mitsubishi Camper van offers a convertible sleeping area with a queen-size memory foam bed that folds into a seating area during the day. A smart kitchenette featuring an induction cooktop, mini fridge, and sink with a retractable faucet makes cooking on the road a breeze. The advanced climate control system ensures comfort in all weather conditions, while multi-function storage compartments and modular shelving keep everything organized. The tech-forward dashboard includes a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in GPS, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Mitsubishi has left no stone unturned when it comes to safety. The 2025 model is packed with the latest driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, the camper van is equipped with Mitsubishi's new AI-driven smart travel assistant, which can suggest the best camping spots, detect vehicle maintenance needs, and even optimize your route based on weather conditions. For those who love the great outdoors, Mitsubishi has packed this camper van with features that cater to the adventurous spirit. It includes an integrated roof tent that provides additional sleeping space for two, an onboard water filtration system perfect for remote camping locations, and an expandable outdoor shower for added convenience. The modular interior allows for easy customization. Whether you need extra space for bikes, kayaks, or additional gear, the rear seats can be completely removed. The 2025 Mitsubishi Camper van isn't just built for adventure, it's also designed with the environment in mind. With regenerative braking, eco-mode driving, and rooftop solar panels that help power onboard electronics, this camper van significantly reduces its carbon footprint. Plus, the use of sustainable and recycled materials in the interior means you can travel responsibly without sacrificing luxury. Mitsubishi has priced the base model of the 2025 camper van competitively at $55,000, with fully loaded versions reaching up to $75,000, depending on customizations. Pre-orders have already started, and the first deliveries are expected by mid-2025. One of the most exciting aspects